Yo, what's going on? Crypto Richie here hanging out with you today, and I wanted to talk to you about Wizards. Launched today. It was a free mint. Not sure if you're in it or not. Let me know what you think. It's a whole storyline. A lot of people are bullish on it. 28.6 thousand followers. We're just going to kind of go to the site quickly. Basically, it's a storyline, an evolving storyline. Okay. Ages ago, explorers found and settled in a kingdom. They discovered a book, a magical book. It basically gave them a bunch of prosperity, wealth, powers, and yada yada. And all of a sudden, a storm came and wiped the whole village out and the magical powers. So now they're in doom and gloom. What happens next? That's pretty much where we are. Is there going to be a savior? Citizens are in despair. Will the great savior, as prophecy foretold, rise and save the kingdom of Tyrol? That's what it's called. So here's the website. There's a thing here where you can connect your wallet. I'm not sure exactly what this is. If you know what this is, comment down below. Let me know, please. We got the gallery. Kind of looks like Goblin Town a little bit, right? Has some similarities. Anyway, let's go to OpenSea. Basically, they are number one on OpenSea currently. And to my knowing, they are the fastest project to become verified in all of NFTs. It was in a tweet that I found. But they are fully verified, number one. Floor price 0.35. An hour ago, when I was doing some research on this, the floor was at 0.40. Okay, my Trait Sniper is not updating. It's probably all of Trait Sniper, because if it's such a new and pumping product, launch, this is probably off right now. So the last feed that I got was like 7 hours ago here. It's not giving me updated info on Wizards. But if we take a look at it, the floor is dumping a little, but they're selling like crazy every minute, basically at about 0.35. Some guys are spending, I've seen sales as high as 1 ETH. Some offers. So let me know. Are you getting into this? Any potential? I'm on the sidelines as of now. I was going to get in, but I'm like kind of waiting. So let me know. Type in the chat if you're bullish on it. If you know any info that could be helpful for the community here. I haven't gotten any yet. If we go to their Twitter here, let me open this screen up a little bit bigger. They did have a metadata problem on OpenSea. They're saying it's fixed now. I guess the feed wasn't updating on reveal, but looks like everything's good. Number one volume on OpenSea. This is 4 hours ago. They're giving away 50. Oh, they're not giving away 50 NFTs. Sorry, my chihuahua's making funny noises in the background. But they're giving away an NFT, basically, to write the best caption for this image here. And there's a lot of entries. Looks like, 2,500 people commented, 2,300 likes. Our team will do the best to our ability to scan each submission and their profile to make sure it's a legit. So they are doing things here. We will continue to run giveaways for those who are unable to summon through this, and will be limited amounts since we do not have substantial reserve. We will continue to provide an experience for those who are now wizards, as well as those who did not summon today. Stay tuned. Today is the beginning of the Wizard Saga. Stay tuned. Chapter 1 will begin soon. The free mint was literally sold out super quickly. And I'm on the sidelines. I'm thinking if it dips a little bit more, to 0.2 maybe, I may pick one up. I don't know if it's going to get that low. Who knows? But it is a trending thing right now. And they are selling like crazy. So I'm keeping an eye on it. Let me know if you got one, if you're getting one, what you think about the whole thing. You know, it's sometimes you don't know. Sometimes, I mean, a lot of times these things are a gamble if you don't have any insider alpha. On this project, I don't have any insider alpha. I haven't heard of anything from my Moonbirds community. But anyway, my next video, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We cover NFTs, altcoins, cryptocurrency, and how to make money with crypto. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Also, check out my free newsletter at cryptowaters.com. Click the top right over here or down below in the description. Like the video, share, subscribe. Really appreciate that. And the next video I'm going to be making on Goblin Town, we're going to be minting one of my burgers. I still have a virgin goblin that I'm going to be making a super rare burger. And we're going to do it on a video, and you're going to be able to see that on YouTube here. So subscribe. I'll be putting out this video later today on the Goblin Town, and I'm thinking that I'm going to be selling my burger and selling my goblin after I mint my burger. This is the second burger that I'm going to be minting for my Goblin Town, and we're going to be minting a rare one, top 1% burger. So stay tuned. Crypto Richie here hanging out. Thanks for watching the video. Talk to you soon. Peace.